Is your smile something you try to hide? Do you lack the confidence to smile out loud? Well, now you can have a stunning, permanently white smile with Lumineers. Pain-free Lumineers are ultra-thin veneers made of porcelain, a special patented porcelain that transforms your entire appearance yet looks completely natural. Old-fashioned veneers require your natural teeth to be permanently ground down to stumps to hold them. They're thick, bulky, and painful. But ultra-thin Lumineers don't require any grinding, drilling, or shots. They simply attach to your natural teeth. There's no pain. And because they leave your teeth intact, they're completely reversible. You could have a permanently white, perfect smile in only 2 visits. You can look fabulous for your big day, vacation, graduation, or that big job interview. Even if you have dental problems, Lumineers can give you a healthy-looking smile. With Lumineers, you'll never feel like hiding your smile again. It's the only veneer with over 20 years of clinically proven results. Over 250,000 people wear Lumineers, but you'd never know it.
Pain-free Lumineers can be fitted in just 2 visits, and they look completely natural.
Want to see how fabulous you'd look with Lumineers? Call toll-free or go online and learn how to get your very own free digital smile makeover. A set of before and after photos that show just how dazzling your smile could be. Share them with friends and loved ones so everyone can see just how amazing you're going to look. We'll also send you this free information kit to help you decide if Lumineers are right for you. And for a limited time, we have special financing available to help make Lumineers fit your budget. Get a healthy, natural, permanently white smile with Lumineers. Ask for them by name. Lumineers. Beautiful smile. Beautiful you.